Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm doing some okra stew. So for the purpose of the video, I've already cut my okras here, so I'm going to cook it with some dawadawa and some salted fish there, and I'll add onga in there with all this not that. So these are the ingredients we need. I need 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, and I'm going to use spinach, baby spinach, and the meat is already cooked, and I've got my red oil here. So this is the stock of the meat, which I'm going to use it to blend the ginger and the peppers and some garlic. Trying to show you that, yeah, some money I'm cooking with that, and cooking some of the dawadawa. Right guys, our stew is been cooking for about 20 minutes. So you can see it's almost done. So I'm gonna start put the fish in now, then I'll put the rest later. So let's put the fish. fish to cook for about 5 minutes because I didn't cook the fish, so it's just fresh salmon. I said salmon because we call it salmon in Ghana. Mackerel doesn't take long to cook, so I'm gonna leave it for maybe 5 to 7 minutes for it to cook. So guys, the fish has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So we're going to add in our mushrooms. And you know, doing okra stew without crabs. So let's put in our okra. Alright, let's just put everything in together. Oh, beautiful. This thing gets too hot. Sometimes I need something to hold it. Alright. Oh, guys. I need to be careful because there's fish in here. I don't want them to start breaking off. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the fish out because stirring the meat will break them, and I don't want to break my fish. I don't want to ruin them, so they are gonna come out well. So our stew is done, so we're going to add in our okras. Very beautiful. Nice. So at this time I've turned the gas off because the okra is already cooked and the stew is already cooked. So I don't want my okra stew not to be, I like it a bit slimy. So I've turned it off. Oh guys, look how beautiful it looks. Nice. Don't forget that we took our fish out. So now I'm gonna put in the fish that we took out. That is I can't tell you how this house is smelling. And the momone. Oh, this food is out of this world, guys. It's late, so I can't. So there we have it, our beautiful okra stew. You can see there's onions in there. You can get something to crunch on. Beef and everything is here. I can't name everything in here, but I hope you do try it. And I am gonna eat mine with some banku or kenke. So please try this okra stew and you will love it.